Hi, I'm Mark. I'd like to talk to you about the network testing capabilities of the LinkIQ family. You can access the switch testing capabilities the same way you do the copper cable testing capabilities by touching the Auto Test button. If it's connected to a switch, it'll automatically run the switch tests. If there's a switch connected to the other end, the LinkIQ will sense that and start running a series of switch tests. The first thing it will do is pull up the switch's name and its IP address. So here's the information I get from the switch test. First, it tells me the name of the switch and the slot and port I'm connected to, the IP address of the switch, and if I touch this arrow over here, I'll also get further information, including the virtual LAN, which is some very important information. After that comes up, it will also tell you the speeds at which the switch tells you it can connect. In this case, 10 meg, 100 meg, and gig, and you can see the duplex settings as well. Below that, you'll see the result of the IP ping. This is the address that we set up to try and ping, and as you can see, it failed. That's what the red X is for. We can go and look and see the packets didn't get through. However, the DHCP server did respond. We did get an address, so we know that there's something blocking the ping, and it's most likely a security setting. And finally, down here, we see the PoE information. What sort of power is being offered by the switch? You can see which pair the PoE power is offered on, which class. In this case, it's 13 watts, class 3. And then down here, the green check indicates that we put a load on the switch to see if it could actually supply that power. And as you see, the voltage did not drop. It was at 52 volts, and so therefore it passed the test. And when I'm done, I can go ahead and hit Save As and save this result for later viewing. And that's how to do network testing and switch port testing the fast and easy way with your LinkIQ.